bitch. Where are we going?
We're going to MT.
MT?
For, restaurant.
For restaurant. We are going MT for restaurant. Restaurant. Ooh. So we are off to Majnu Tilla. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to Majnu Tilla, and I'm so excited because this is our first time. Like we all just are hanging out together at the daytime, right?
Yes.
There's a restaurant. So what I was saying is there's a restaurant opening in Majnu Tilla, so we are going there. See, look how excited they are to be in my vlog, you know. Gang, gang. Gang, gang, gang.
These are the gangs coming. Oh. Oh. 1, 2, 3.
Empty because we are going to empty.
She means like the metro is empty because we are going to empty. So this is the cafe, guys. We are about to get in now. Grand opening. What is so big? My plate. All peaceful, you know. Oh, you're not hungry? What about you, Kiki? Oh. So guys, मैं बोलना भूल गई थी. एक रेस्टोरेंट का ओपनिंग था तो मुझे बुलाया है. So I'm here. So अभी हम लोग खाना खाने के बाद भी गाना गा रहे हैं. And then सांगमो एंड कीकी ने लाफिंग लाए हैं. So अभी हम लोग लाफिंग खा रहे हैं. And अभी हम लोग थोड़ा और चिल करेंगे. फिर हम लोग थोड़ा बाहर घूमने जाएंगे. या I'm gonna have laughing. अभी हम कुछ बहुत स्पेशल काम करने के लिए यहाँ पे आए हैं पार्क में. I can't tell you what is it, but it's really special, okay? Right, Sangmu? Right, Kiki and Bebina? Yeah. अभी हम लोग एक कैफे से आए थे and like we are going to have bubble tea now. Oh, Zeva. I like the background, okay? We are going to have bubble tea.
We are coming because of that.
I like the advertising this one. No. My handwriting is really White Tara was here. Thanks to my friend. That's what we need, right?
Yes.
गाइस अब हम लोग खेलने वाले हैं तंबोला।
Seven and two. Next number is 8 and 4. 84. Hey. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Miss. Happy birthday to you. So guys, अभी हम लोग खाना खा लिया है, तंबोला खेला, and then we had a lot of fun. So thanks to Swiss Cafe, and we're gonna visit again soon. And now we are going back to the room.